Let me directly hand over the session to.
உங்க சைட்ல இருந்து எனக்கு அன்மியூட் பண்ணிருக்காங்களான்னு மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் பார்க்கலாமா சார்? ஹெட்ஃபோனை இப்போ ஜாயின் பண்றேன். So the PowerPoint is showing that? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I have started. Okay. Good evening, student. We have started about the innovation of the technology nowadays. What is the entrepreneurship? The entrepreneurship is nowadays is wide range of jobs than the self-motivated work is available. So we discuss about some type of jobs that is means of self-employment is available in the nowadays. We discuss about this. First of all, what is self-employment? The self-employment means nowadays are more self-employments are available, solar power generation equipment installation, then control panel wiring, e-vehicles, then LED production system, then electronic recycling system. That means of in case of any electronic devices, in case of it lifetime is over, then you can purchase that equipment and then reproduction of recycling process is very modern and profitable business. Then also electrical motor service also is a new type of business. Then inverter and EPS production, generator manufacturings, repair and maintenance, electrical designs, then home appliances, security systems, wireless home security system gadgets. So many things are self-employment process. There is a self-employment jobs. Yeah. So this type of job we discuss. What type of job is profitable? Then what type of job is better for future work? This future life we can discuss about it. First, we take electric vehicle. The electric vehicle in nowadays is more profitable business because of the e-vehicles, e-vehicle and e-vehicle drives. The means of electric cars, electric vehicles. So many things are nowadays are more popular and essential. Okay. So first of all, we study about electrical vehicle and types. So what's the type of electric vehicles available? In conventional type of electrical vehicles are gas and internal combustion engine transmission systems are used for in a conventional gas system, and it improved by hybrid system. That means of electric vehicle and engine. That is hybrid. It powered by engine. It's not for electric power. It's powered by engine also. So the engine power is charge battery and the battery power to drive the vehicle. This type of vehicles is also used for converting electrical system. But in nowadays, the third type of electrical cars are available. That means of plug-in hybrid vehicles. That means the vehicle is run by the fuel. That means of gas or fuel, petrol or diesel, and also it drive in battery also. That means of electric vehicle also. But it powered from plug-in system. That plug-in system means EP power supply. EP means electricity power supply. So that this type of plug-in hybrid vehicles are available in market. Then the fourth popular and the most largest electric vehicles are it fully powered by electric. So this type of electric vehicles are more popular because of this type of electric vehicles are success. These electrical vehicles, what is the benefit? It has no gas, then no, it has high torque, and also the battery capacity. That means of long distance. The battery capacity is traveling a long distance because of nowadays are used for maintenance free battery. That means of lithium ion, lithium cadmium, lithium nickel. So many type of new type of batteries are available in electric vehicles, so that the electric vehicle can be success for conventional more than conventional battery cars. So the conventional cars, there is conventional electrical car. That means of nowadays we are using electrical cars are more power because of the torque and maintenance and long life for battery and long travel trip. So many things the electrical vehicles are nowadays success. So future market, the electrical car only run the industries. That means of roads. So this type of electric car create a more jobs. More job means more business. More business means more individual self-employment. What is the employment of electrical car creating our features? We think about this. So the charging station. So we need electrical car. Charging stations are more availabilities are. ஸோ சார்ஜிங் ஸ்டேஷன் அப்படிங்கிற அந்த விஷயம் வந்து ஃப்யூச்சரில் நம்ம எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் காரில் நம்மளுக்கு ரொம்ப 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 தேவையான ஒன்றா இருக்கும். எப்படி சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா, இப்போ மார்க்கெட்டில் வந்து இப்போ ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார், ஓகே 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 தேங்க்யூ சார். So many companies are involved for charging stations because of the charging stations are available in market. That means of all type of charging levels. That means of one level AC charging, the two level AC charging, and DC fast charging. So many charging stations are need for to charge the electrical vehicle for the essential for e-vehicle stations. So, what are the opportunity for creating electric vehicle for charging the vehicle is more, so many things. So, what are the type of chargings are available in market? So, AC one level charging. That means 120 volt single phase. In India, it has 230 volt or 440 volt like this. So three-phase charging is also need the three-phase 480 volt, 120 amps, 80 amps, 60 amp, then 2 kilowatt, then 7 kilowatt, 50 kilowatt also we need. So the system future power station are more job opportunity in electrical vehicle. That means of self-employment. That means of charging station owners, the charging stations creator, the charging station installation, the charging station maintenance, the charging station service. So many opportunity are created in India in futures the electrical vehicle charging station because of in India or Tamil Nadu, any places or any cities, the automobile industry is developed, the fuel, that is the petrol bulk also developed. So the petrol bulk business is also a wonderful business and profitable business. This fuel, there is a electrical vehicle charging stations available in that is created by the India for need for future entrepreneurship development for the future India, so that we focus about this type of charging stations, that means of AC charging or DC charging, single phase or three phase charging stations, and also different type of capacity. In our idea, the charging stations are created by solar power. So the solar power energy is converted into electrical charging station. So we are the profitable because of the input field. That is we are getting the charge from the power from the EV is no need because of these stations are standalone station. And also in remote area, the solar power charging station also more profitable because of in remote area no need for a grid station. That is grid power. That means of EV power. So that type of sessions are more created in rural India and also in highways. This charging station job opportunity, that means of employment opportunity, is more created in future type of highways. So uh, you focus about this type of charging stations. Okay. Then what are the type of chargers are available? That is means of the electric vehicle is charging. The charger is need. The charger is need means the battery's capacity is 24 volt DC or 48 volt DC or 12 volt DC. So many things. But we need the charger. The charger industry, the charger development product also increase in day by day life. So many companies are doing different type of charging levels. That means of some companies are need for AC chargers, some companies are need for DC chargers, some company for need for capacity of charging charger is more different types. Sometimes it need for 10 amps, 20 amps, 50 amps, 100 amps, 120 amps, 200 amps like this. So the charging flex, the charging the charger. So three type of business are need. So in the figure we discuss about DC fast charging unit. DC fast charging unit means the power is produced and it converted into DC and charge vehicle in direct current. In direct current charging system, the converter also need. The converter means the DC power is converted in AC power is converted in DC and it regulate and it maintain the constant power and inject the battery. So the life of battery, the life of charging, that means of fast charging technology is need for product. That means of electrical charging vehicles. So in nowadays the Tesla is introduced this car for DC fast charging unit. This DC fast charging units for charge his vehicle for in 30 to 40 minutes the vehicle gets charged. So that way the Tesla introduced for DC fast charging unit. So that in India, the electrical vehicle companies are the new beginners. That means of startup companies are are focused for DC fast charging production unit. And also these DC fast charging production steps are more simple because of only for 3 to 4 components are used for to product produce the product, this type of product. That means of DC fast charging product. So it's also more profitable and also easily can be produced. So the DC fast charging unit for need for the production system essential and also profit for in India's. The means of future India's. Then the charging station. The charging station provide for different type of companies are available, and the charging station backend job opportunities. Backend job opportunity means the websites, trip planners, websites, apps, then Flex, charging hub, then a car supporting instrument, then data center. So many type of backend job opportunities also available for charging stations. So the electric vehicle company, that is the electrical vehicle system, increase the entrepreneurship for golden time for nowadays. So what's the benefit of electrical vehicles for entrepreneurship? The electrical vehicle operating costs are very cheap for compared with fuel. So the fuel is reduced. That is of the petrol to replace the petrol to electric vehicle. The profit of the customer is more, so that the electrical vehicle companies or the customer automatically, the automobile customers automatically move to electrical vehicle. So because of the system is more profit. How the electrical vehicle in statistic depend upon the statistics, the normal gas loan vehicle is changed into electrical vehicle because of emission, then investment, then health issue. So many things. Normal vehicle, there is a normal fuel vehicle is converted into electrical vehicle, so that the e-vehicle is must come in future for and more profit for compared with automobile industries. I display a chart for the past 10 years, 2011 to 2020, a normal hybrid vehicle and battery electric vehicle. The growth of a electric vehicle is more. That means of each and every 1 year, the growth of the electric vehicle is high. That is production of electric vehicle is high, so that the opportunities are also high. So with that is, we say the electric vehicle is more giving a job opportunity. Then the electrical vehicle companies are nowadays producing a community. The means of grouping of community is created the community, then for better output, and also it signed pollution free industries. The Ford, Honda, Volvo, GM, VW, Toyota are more companies are signed, and it agree that more production, that is e-vehicle production can be increased, so that the what I'm saying that the EV system, the communities are more profit, and also the job opportunity, the development of e-vehicles are more. So we focus about e-vehicle for future entrepreneurship is golden opportunity for future life. So that I discuss about this e-vehicle charging entrepreneurship. Then another type of job opportunity is solar power generation. So we discuss about solar power generation. Then what type of solar power generation is available? Solar power installation. So see, solar power erection and service. What is solar power? Solar power means home home power generation, complex apartments, industry, temples, agriculture, and industry, and hybrid system. So many things, then so many standalone system need for solar power. So the job opportunity, entrepreneurship for start the business in solar power erection and service is more profit. Uh, in nowadays, more friends and more number of persons are doing for solar installation than solar companies like this. In government can giving subsidy for solar power erection in 30 percentage. In case of you need for solar pump in agriculture need for pumping up station. That means of 5 kilowatt per solar power station. The budget is 3 lakhs, but government give 1 lakh. Then 1 lakh giving for loans. The farmer only install, that is the investment in 1 lakh only. So the farmer invest 1 lakh only first time, one time invest 1 lakh, but in lifetime he get the power because of no power need in grid dependent only for solar power. So that the solar power installation more profit. But you go to you go to farmer and discuss about the solar power power station for your plant, that is means of your land. But he say I have a free current, so no need for solar power like this. Okay, but sometime some land no install problem for installing EV supply due to long distance, and for some agricultural land has no power availability. So many things are now facing for problem for a farmer. So that type of farmer he focus and discuss about him and to install the solar power system for more essential for him, and also we. So the profitable business are solar power in agriculture because of the power production, the power cost, the power inject from the solar system. There is a profitable thing also. We focus about solar power agriculture. So more essential. Okay. So I say that first we focus e-vehicles, then we focus solar power generation. There is polar power generation. We focus solar installation, solar maintenance, solar service, and also solar power injection company. That means of power injection company. That means of installation companies are nowadays more in Tiruvali, uh, the producing of solar power more than 100 megawatt like this. So, 10 to 20 percentage of Tamil Nadu electricity power is produced by solar power. The government also signed that more number of solar power producing for India for focus about this because of emission and so many things are there. So that so the government agreed that the producing of solar power system and companies, startup companies are more welcome for installing solar power from agricultural complex or any apartment quarters like this. So that the future and long term process and also profitable business, no no installation problem like this. So that we focus solar power generation in electrical system. That one, control panel service. Control panel service means in case of any startup business or any industry, you start any industry you can start. First you need power, then control panel. So two things are need: control panel and power. So the control panel service and control power installation is more essential business for nowadays for installing control panels. So first thing, for what is the process of control panel? First the EV supply and generator supply or solar supply or wind supply. So the hybrid system, that means of wind, solar, and EV, gas turbine plant, generator. So all the hybrid system is interconnected from this type control panel. The control panel measures the power they measure the unit. Then each and every power sources need for energy meter, that means of power meter, that means of kilowatt meters. So all type of source power, the source kilowatt, the source power factor, the power quality, THT, so many things are measured by the power measuring units. So first the control panel has need for measuring units for a get the reading from the source. Then production system. Then we need for production OLC overload production, under voltage production, then high voltage production, earth fault production, unbalanced production. So many productions are need for trip the circuit breaker. That means of protect the sources. So the second control panel is production system. Third one is automation system. The automation system means security system, safety system. In case of fire, in case of earth fault, in case of surge protection. So the third system protection of control panel is safety and security. So security purpose means each and every breaker, that means of each and every power product from the electricity board or generator or anyone like this, the system is supplied to the load. It is more secure because of nobody can access the power or unauthorized person, so that it needs security also. So that is security and safety lockers, that means of panels. Then fourth one is logging and monitoring and recording panels. That means of SCADA, DCS, like this. So the fourth control panel system are SCADA system, logging system, monitoring system. The input power, output power, input power factor, output power. So many data are continuously monitoring the voltage level, generator is on or off, the solar panel power is incoming is what type of what are the how many the power can be produced. So many things are be monitoring in the control panel. So need for monitoring and data logging and reporting system. Then fourth one is communication. The communication need for this type of power and monitoring system, the reporting system, control panels, all type of control system is connected to the remote unit. The remote unit means IoT or RF system or communications, data, these things. So, so many systems are need for communicate from one source to another source. That means of control system. Sir, sir, it's okay? Oh, okay, okay, thank you, sir. Okay, sir, I can read. So, so many production systems are need for electrical control system, control panel. This type of control panels and service need more jobs and available. So you focus for this electrical control panel service. It purely core type of business, core type of jobs. Okay. So the focus electrical control panel service. Okay. So okay, we start some question, basic question for you for changing of this conversation. A small question. Anybody can answer this question. Sir, we start a small game. Okay, sir. Anybody know your answer? Please type the command. Sir, check the command, check the answer, sir. In case of if anyone can giving a good answer, you can appreciate it, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. You see this picture. Uh, what what is the power? That what means what is the voltage and what is the frequency? Then what is the current of this jacket? You know? Anyone say? What's the voltage of this plug? Then what's the frequency of this plug? Oh, 440 no. 230 no. Yeah, 236 are good. Frequency figure is good. Super. So the basic question, all of you know, because of it is more essential. No 60 gets, only 50 gets. 60 gets is foreign frequency. We are in at 220 volt. 50 gets is correct. The amps is 6 amps is also correct. Okay, thank you. Then we go move for second question. Uh, Please say the type of this pattern, this folder. What's the name of this folder? You know, name of this. You know, this is for a bulb folder. What's the type? This folder type. You know, type of folder name. So many type of folder is there for bulb folder. 5 minutes for changing the. Anyone answer? Type of folder. Okay. This type of folder is a pattern folder. Pattern. The white color pattern lamp holder. LED or vertical bulb holder. Okay. This type of holder model name is P22. P22 model name. Okay. Okay. The third one. You know this wire? All of you know this wire? You know the gauge of this wire? No? Very simple question. You know the gauge of this wire? As cable like this. What is the gauge? Gauge means how? Gauge means size. You know size of the wire in normal home wiring. In normal home wiring, which type of gauge? That gauge size. You know, you go to shop and ask him, please give a cable. It's not correct because of the shopper asking for you for which type size you know you want. So the size of the cable is 1/8, 1/8 cable, 1/8 cable. You know, the size of the cable is 1/8. That is 18 gauge. 18 gauge low voltage lighting and lamp cord for it supply 10 amps. It is for normally house wiring. Okay. Okay. Then you know what is this? All of you know what is this? Yeah, MCP. Super. Yeah, MCP. That means what is this abbreviation? MCP means power breaker. Okay. MCP. M. What is the M? Miniature circuit breaker. Yeah. Yeah, good. Miniature circuit breaker. Okay, Naren is giving the answer. Miniature circuit breaker is good. So please tell what's the name of this meter. Please tell what's the name of this meter. What's the name of this meter? Energy meter. It's a technical name. Digital energy meter. Technical name. Technical name. Technically, the meter name is. You know the technical of this meter name is kilowatt kWh meter. Good watt hour meters. Okay, kilowatt hour meters. Correct. Watt hour meter, but means of kilowatt kWh. The meter name is kWh. Yeah. So in electricity board, he say the meter name is kWh meter. Okay. So good. So the meter name is kilowatt hour meter, kWh meter. Readings are getting a reading from cumulative time readings. Okay. 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 The another questions are which type of capacitor and value for in the ceiling fan. You know in the ceiling fan it has a capacitor. You know the capacitor value. All of you know the capacitor value of the ceiling fan. No? Capacitor. That means a good, yeah. A capacitor run induction motor. Good. Then which type of capacitor? In case of you replace the capacitor, you go to shop. How to say the capacitor value? You get it. Fan capacitor, okay, but you know the value. Value means microfarad. Which the microfarad used for ceiling fan? You know. First of all, the entrepreneur need for more detail about electrical product. You know, so I asked for simple question for ceiling fan for getting very good 2.5 microfarad is secured. Sometime 2.5, then sometime 2.2 like this. Okay, okay. So 2.5 is a correct answer. 2.5 microfarad, 470 volt, polypropylene, radial can capacitor. So no, it is all electrical engineers need for this type of. So what is this? You see the picture. What is this? You know, all of say what is this? Solar panel, solar plate, solar panel. What is the technical name? What is this panel technical name? Electrical technical name? You know? PV solar panel. What is a PV? PV means don't type Google. PV means photovoltaic. Okay. Then I will get the output is good, right? Okay. You see what type of battery is and how the capacity is measured. What type of battery this? Then lithium ion. Capacity of battery, the battery is tubular battery. Tubular battery is type okay. Lead acid battery is correct. Capacity, how to say the capacity of the battery? 100 amps, okay, but closer. mAh, mega ampere hour. Ampere hour is correct. Ampere hour. The battery capacity is measured by ampere hour. 80 amps, 80 Ah, 100 Ah. Good. Is correct. So this type of this battery is lead acid battery, and the capacity is measured by not amps, ampere hour. That means of it supply 100 amps per hour. In 1 hour, it supply 100 amps. That the type of battery is called 100 Ah battery. 80 Ah battery, it supply 80 amps per hour. But in, okay. The final question: what type of motor used in mixing? What type of motor used in mixing? Very good, universal motor. Good. Universal motor. Good. Why? Why the universal motor used for mixing? But in home only we are use AC only, you know. So AC and DC both okay, but it's not okay. AC DC is also universal motor is operation. Okay, they operate AC and DC because of it as a commutator, so that it operate AC and DC. But what's the purpose of this motor for universal motor used for mixing? Because of this motor is high speed motor, you know. Efficiency okay, but all motors are efficient, but because speed good, yeah, variable speed motor, and also the motor speed is very high, you know. So above 3000 rpm the motor operator maximum 10,000 rpm also the universal motor. That the universal motor used to for yes, control the speed also is possible for universal motor for different type of tapping and different type of variable speed motor. Yeah, universal motor. So all of you know what is this? All of us know what is this because of your petty device, charging adapter, PC charger good. I asking what's the output voltage of this charger in USB type charger. What's the output voltage? No output current. Step down okay. What's the output voltage and output current? That means of USB charger, DC charger. Okay, good. Step down okay. Punch it okay. 5 volt 2 amps. Okay, good. Is it correct? Yeah. All type of DC charger, all type of mobile charger. The mobile charger output voltage is 5 volt 2 amps. Yes, correct. Good. Yeah, 5 volt DC, 5 volt 1.5, 5 volt 2.5. Okay, good. Thank you. Uh, we discuss about your entrepreneurship. Then electrical. Thank you guys. Thank you students for your cooperating for answering this type of questions, the basic questions. Okay. So the panel wiring, the job opportunities for entrepreneurship is available in panel wiring. The panel wiring means in case of you want to wiring of different type of wiring in industries, the MCPs and production relays, and so many things we need for panel wiring. Okay, so the entrepreneurships are need for panel wiring also. Then power transformer installation. The more companies are taking opportunity in power transformer installation for thousand service maintenance and election work for new power generation. So many things the power transformer installation also need. Okay, so the job opportunities in abroad and India's and so many countries for power transformer installation, transmission installation, and insulators. So many things. So many companies are producing, erecting, and maintenance of power transformer. Okay. Then the generator installation service. The generator need for hospitals, apartment, then quarters, industries, temple. So many places the generator is must. In certain time the generator is generator business is more profitable business for power shutdown time. Okay, so the generation installation service, then erection. So many job opportunities available in generator installation services. So you go and study. You can learn this type of generator installation and you start the business also. Then motor rewinding system. The motor rewinding system is a very easy, no investment. That means up you put over your work only. There is when your manpower only. You get the more profit compared with the other business. But only thing you can get the experience. That means that is more essential. But no investment because of rewinding work. You get the motor and open and remove the old winding and then find your new wiring system. So the rewinding system of motor is more profit because of low investment business. Okay. Okay. Then industrial electrical installation. That means of automation. The automation business is more popular for nowadays because of all manpower is reduced in manpower and in some type of industries for the need for more full automatic system. So the automation, the PLC automation system, PCS automation, SCADA automation, IoT automation. The IoT system also need for nowadays for installing these companies for production of is wiring system. Okay, so the industrial purpose, so many type of companies are willing for automation system. So the automation system and automation companies are more startup companies are nowadays starting in India and Tamil Nadu, particularly for food industry. The automation system is mostly electrical engineers are doing that. So the electrical engineer focus to automobile, that means of automation system. So all of us focus your knowledge and to get the experience in automation industry for automate the electrical system. Then the biomedical technology. In biomedical technology means in pandemic situation, the more that means of the hospital and the hospital equipments technologies increase because of the each and every hospitals for increase the equipment. That means of biomedical equipments can be increased because of a need for more number of biomedical equipments for this patient. So the biomedical industries also biomedical equipment technology also increase. So the startup companies are more startup companies are go and study the biomedical equipment and installing and servicing and maintenance and erection. So many things the companies can develop and production of this technology. Okay, then robotic technology. So you know what is robot? What is the purpose of robot? Then what is the function of robot? So many things you know. But the robot operate 6 to 8 motors. The robot operate from 6 to 8 motor. So the robot, all type of motors are the manufactured by the all the type of robot manufactured by the motor only. So that the robot fully based on electrical engineering, not only mechanical. It is only based on electrical engineering because of we need electrical motor, electrical circuits, electrical control system, programs, then the sensors, then camera, artificial intelligence, software. So the electrical engineers only do the robot system. So all of us focus for robot technology in industry and commercial and all purpose of job opportunity in robotic technology. So robotic technology is also need improve the electrical engineers. So all of us focus for robot technology and drone technology also. So drone technology also improve because of producing drone and producing drone operated agriculture, drone operated parcel service, drone operated equipment handling, drone operated camera surveillance. So drone operated agriculture feed spraying system. So the drone operating mechanism also in nowadays new startup for electrical engineers. Okay, and VFT, you know, VFT means variable frequency drive. So the variable frequency drive. Yes, sir. I changed the PPT for VFT. Okay, okay. 2 minutes, sir. Does showing as are showing this? Okay. So the last product we discuss about VFT. You know, the electrical engineers need for variable frequency drive mechanism. Okay, it used to for control the speed of the induction motor. In all industries, the VFT is essential. First what's the purpose of VFT? All of us know pumping system, regulating speed control, production overload, acceleration. So many things the VFT drives also need. Okay, so the VFT drive production system. So all companies are go and study the VFT and producing of VFT and installation of VFT and maintenance of VFT is more essential. So so many companies have come and visiting him and to ask him what they to develop their VFT boards. VFT board means variable drive boards. So manufacturing a VFT drive board is a more profitable business because of the VFT drive from 1 kilowatt to 60 kilowatt. The rate, the amount of VFT drive is minimum 25,000 to 2.5 lakh like this. Okay, so that the VFT drives, VFT drive based industry, that means a VFT drive based boards development, VFT drive based installation, VFT drive based induction manufacturing companies are more increase for nowadays for essential for industry for in electrical engineering. So that you try this VFT drive boards also. Okay. So the VFT system. The variable frequency drive system is more essential for induction motor, that is AC induction motor, three-phase induction motor. It is available from 1 kilowatt to 10 kilowatt. So that the pure sine wave, that means of three-phase sine wave, you're giving a three-phase sine wave, you get a variable frequency output and variable voltage to control the speed. So no need for any induction, no need for any mechanical gear system. Okay. So the VFD is replace the mechanical gearing system, and also it control the speed of the induction motor from 0 to maximum speed. That means of rated speed. Okay. So the VFD drive is more profitable business for nowadays for controlling the induction motor speed, and also giving a torque and smooth operation. Okay, so the smooth operation and control the speed, compact, efficient, loss, minimize the loss, and power conversion. So many things. VFD drive system used for industry for the purpose of control the induction motor. Okay, so the induction motor used for the driving motor used for industry, VFT system for dynamic braking and braking and regeneration system, watering system, and also electrical vehicle system also. So the three-phase induction motor used for electrical vehicle for using for this VFT drive for control the electric vehicle to run the automobile. Okay. So VFT drive also used for control the induction motor. So that this type of business also used for industry for controlling speed and develop it. Okay. So these are the product available. These are the opportunity available for electrical engineering to develop your job opportunity and entrepreneurship development sort of companies on it. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, students. Thank you.